Hey there, welcome back to Genius Junkie. If your computer desktop is anything like mine was, a cluttered mess, then you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to design a custom desktop organizer using Canva. This will not only help you keep things neat and tidy, but also make your workspace look amazing. Let's jump right into it. Setting up your canvas. To start, head over to Canva and log in to your account. Click on Create a Design, and then Custom Size. For a desktop organizer, you'll want to match the resolution of your screen, commonly 1920 by 1080 pixels, but make sure to check your screen resolution and adjust accordingly. This ensures your organizer fits perfectly on your desktop. Choosing a layout. With your canvas ready, it's time to plan your layout. Think about how you want to organize your files, folders, and shortcuts. You can divide your screen into sections like Work, Personal, Notes, To Do, and In Progress. Use Canva's Elements tab to add shapes that will serve as containers for these sections. Adjust their sizes and positions to suit your needs. Customizing colors and background. Now, let's make it visually appealing. Click on the background to choose a color or image for your desktop organizer. You can opt for a simple, solid color, or go with a gradient or pattern that matches your style. For a more personalized touch, consider uploading a photo or graphic that inspires you. Next, change the colors of the shapes and text boxes to match your background and make them stand out. Adding labels. To keep everything organized, add labels to each section. Head over to the Text tab and choose a font that's both stylish and easy to read. Type your all label names. Finalizing and downloading your organizer. Once you're happy with the design, it's time to finalize and download your desktop organizer. Review everything to make sure it's aligned and visually balanced. When you're satisfied, click on Share in the top right corner, then Download. Choose PNG or JPG for the best quality. After downloading, set it as your desktop background and watch how it transforms your workspace. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed creating a custom desktop organizer with me. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Genius Junkie, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. If you have any questions or ideas for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Stay organized, and I'll see you in the next video.